Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by locking in prerequisites you need right now. Equip XP boost items and a fast weapon, plus mobility gear to rotate quickly. Once done, pick a spawn area with 3 or more cover routes so you can contest objectives safely. Make sure to warm up, 5 minutes of aim drills, then 1 casual match to dial sensitivity and timing. This gets your muscle memory aligned and immediately increases your effectiveness in the Megablitz environment. You should now focus on execution. Push for short, decisive engagements where you can trade 2 for 1 and avoid long fights that bleed time. Use gadgets and grenades to force opponents out of cover and control 20 to 30-second windows where XP objectives are vulnerable. Once those windows open, coordinate pushes with teammates, call timers, and concentrate fire on the same target. This maximizes objective captures and XP flow. While minimizing time wasted on resets, you close the run by locking objectives in the last minute and stalling intelligently if you have the lead, hold angles, and bait predictable pushes. If opponents apply heavy pressure, swap to a defensive loadout and use utility to deny space. If things go wrong, reset. Fall back to a safe zone, change your approach route, and slow the pace to regain control. That single troubleshooting move often restores momentum and converts a failing run into a successful XP Megablitz.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.